Alright guys, today I'm coming here my 2012 Porsche battery is a little low, so I'm going to try to jump it off today. It's been sitting for a couple of days, so I got the positive and I think this is the negative right here. So I did go to Walmart and buy a jump start. Alright, so here's the EverStart Max jump start that I'm going to use to see if this thing jumps off, so I can take it and get a new battery put in there. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hook up this positive first. And then I'm going to get the negative, hook it to the side. And as you can see, EverStart comes on. And then you just push jump start. And I think you're supposed to wait about 15 minutes. So I'm going to put a 15-minute timer on. And then we're going to come back out, see if it actually works. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes. So I'm about to check in. See if it starts up, see if it's the battery. Crossing my fingers, I hope it's just the battery. There it is. Battery protection activated during parking. Got all kind of lights flashing. Alright, so take the positive off first. And then take the negative off. And then we got ourselves. Alright, so we're back working. We lost all of our information, but we are back. So I got to get it to a mechanic, get this battery changed out, and we're good to go.